So that is what I'm saying. If you are buying a body lotion from Nivea, be rest assured that that lotion will not function the way lotion that like Amlactin will function. Nivea, you see Nivea, Vaseline and Jeggings, I have noticed that their formulations, their products is tailored for your original skin shade. So if you were using a bleaching lotion before, just know that you will get dark. Like it's going to return you back to how your father in heaven created you. That is how that lotion, Nivea lotion, will return you back. And then you will start to glow. And I've also noticed that their lotions are not fast action. You have to be patient. Especially this Nivea Perfect and Radiant lotion. A lot of people have been complaining lotion didn't work for them, while some said lotion worked for them. The thing is, if you are going to be using that kind of lotion that does not contain a lot of actives, just know that you are going to support it with other products that contain actives. That is just the trick. When you buy those brands, don't be in a hurry to see results. You will not see results immediately. Even when you're not even seeing results, after some time you'll notice that your skin is glowing. So you have to be patient. Skincare is patience. Like skincare taught me patience. You know, when you buy a lotion like this, 2 weeks, you've not even seen anything. 3 weeks, 4 weeks. I have just noticed that each and every product we buy, the percentage of the active ingredients differs. Something happened to me a few years back. I was buying skincare products, it was not working at all. I was buying skincare products, it was not working at all. When I give the product out, it will work for those people, but it will not work for me. I was okay, let me buy it again. It will still not work. Then I had to pause. Not like I paused skincare totally, but I had to pause and look inwards. And I started to check what I was eating. If I was eating enough fruits, if I was eating enough vegetables, I was, drinking a lot of water and all of that. I started to check. My hormones were fluctuating. And once something is not good inside, it can't be good outside. Anything you are applying outside, you are just wasting your money and time. Most time, what causes this is what we eat. That period, I started taking supplements. I started eating right and taking supplements, taking vitamin C supplements, taking B vitamins, taking evening primrose oil, omega 3 to 6 to 9 supplements, flaxseed, I started eating soy products, like enough proteins. And I started to see changes on my skin. So this skin is a product of what you put in to your body. Imagine somebody not eating, you don't eat fruits. You are just eating junk. You are not even taking vitamin C supplements. Supplements can never substitute for food, for the main source of these vitamins. But you are not eating the food, you are not even taking the supplements. And your skin is dull, and you think you are not going to be buying vitamin C lotion for the dull skin and it will work, when inside of you is not fine. So most of the times, that is what causes these products not to work. Some people don't even use their products consistently. Like they use it once in a week, and you are looking for results. It doesn't work that way. Some don't even layer their products correctly. Some people will use body oil, then put lotion on top. So we just have to be patient. I've had my fair share, and I'm still, in fact, it's not like the fair share has ended. I'm still seeing, because there are a lot of products I've bought and I regret buying them, like I said before. But doesn't mean I will stop skincare totally. No. Does not mean there are no good products out there. No. I will still continue sourcing based on my skin type. So that is it. That is just all I wanted to let us know in this video. We have to be patient with our skin. Eat right and rest. Take a lot of water. Use the products that are suitable for your skin, the right products for you, and watch your skin. Don't buy, I've said it before, don't buy products because it is trending. I've gone past that, because they are not the ones buying the product for me. I am using my money to buy it. So I don't buy product because they are changing. You go through the ingredient list. Look out for reviews on that particular product before you go ahead to buy. Like in the reviews, if you're seeing 10 reviews and you're seeing 6 is saying, okay, product is good, you can go ahead and buy. 8 is saying product is good, but you're seeing 2 is saying the product is good, just know that you have to think of something else. That is how I work. I don't just buy because people are buying. I have my reasons for buying this particular skincare product. So guys, that is it for this video. That is just all I wanted to tell us. I just wanted to address a few questions on the minds of people right now. Take it easy.